Team A14 第14组表演剧名 The Ghost with the Halloween Hiccups， 请上台。
Benny is a good actor. He loves Halloween. He's always in the Halloween play. This year, he's going to be the ghost. It's 2 o'clock on Halloween afternoon. Benny is heading for town. He meets Mr. and Mrs. Guest along the way. Jack-o'-lantern,